Hey, what's going on, tech lovers out there? About 2 weeks ago, I purchased the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. Now, in my excitement, I forgot to do an unboxing video for it. I needed to purchase another tablet for a team member that I oversee on my day job. I'm excited to open it up again, the unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga tablet. All right, guys, this is it. This is the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. I'm not going to lie, when I first looked at this, I was a little underwhelmed with the quality of it. But I come to find out that this is all recycled material. So this is recycled material, so good on you to Lenovo for recycled material. As you can see here, you've got the Lenovo pictured with the keyboard and the stylo, which is nice. We know we're going to get that in the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah, there it is right there. So thanks for using our product. I like this. Well, thank you from Lenovo. And that is all of your documentation things. Oh, nope, it is the keyboard. I don't know what I'm talking about. So as you can see, this is the keyboard and the back. But it has this nice kind of leathery feel to it. Keyboard is nice, clean. Kind of a cream tan color, which I really like, but a lot of space. Keyboard buttons feel good. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And here we are. This is it. This is the what we've paid to see right here. So it's light, surprisingly light. So we're going to take it off of the, if I can, almost like Christmas morning there. But feels good. It's that widescreen aspect ratio, which I'm not a fan of, but it's got a aluminum feel. It's got, it's not rounded off. It's squared off that you would find from most tablets. I like the bar right here, the old Cyclops bar. Looks like Geordi LaForge from Star Trek, but looks good. I'm going to set that off to the side. What else do we have in here? We've got our stylo right here. So good looking pen. So no batteries needed. It charges with the tablet. It does. Oh, look at this. The old fossil, the brick. You never see these anymore. One in the wild, ladies and gentlemen. We've got ourselves an actual charging brick, USB-C. Very nice. Set that off to the side. Very good to see that. Well done, Lenovo. And then your standard cord. And then what do we have here? This is your documentation right here. And, oh good, a nib, a replacement nib, which is very nice. So we're going to go ahead and try to power on our device here and just kind of get the boot up. See if it powers on for us. There we go. Lenovo, powered by Android. Looks very nice. I'm starting up, and so this is it right here. Oh, we've got our hi there sequence, which is very common for. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That little visor's already coming in handy. Nice little display. And we have our keyboard and case. And that, boys and girls, is the unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus. Okay, if you've watched this video so far and gotten this far into it, would you be willing to do me one more solid? Help your boy out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that way you can stay plugged in for future Real Honest Reviews and future content. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Stay safe and stay techie.